You bring life to the barren places, light to the darkest spaces, God. It's your nature. You bring joy to the broken-hearted, hope to the ones who've lost it, God. It's your nature. There is no desert that your streams can't run to. There are no ruins that your love won't make new. You tell the wasteland that it will bloom again, 'cause it's your nature. You will restore the years that shame has stolen. You keep the promises that you have spoken. I know this wasteland will be whole again, 'cause it's your nature. Oh, you bring peace to the war inside us. And all fear is